account, what I am going to do is I'm going to log in using the login credentials that they gave me. So now I'm inside of the membership area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click install on your own hosting. And basically what you'll need to do here is that you're going to need to download the Cloudfunnels script. This is what you're going to be uploading to your hosting. I'm going to go ahead and click download. Now really I've already done this, so I'm going to go through it anyway. I'm just going to download that zip file. Now once you get that file downloaded to your hard drive, what you're then going to do is you're going to go to your cPanel and you're going to open up the domain where you're going to install your Cloudfunnels. So I'm going to go to my domain and then I'm going to put /cPanel. Now you may get into your cPanel differently. This is how I get into mine. I'm going to go ahead and log into my cPanel. Once I'm inside of cPanel, I'm going to go ahead and click File Manager. I'm going to go inside of Public HTML. I'm going to create a new folder for my Cloudfunnels CF test. I'm going to click Create New Folder. I'm going to open up CF test. And then I'm going to upload that zip file that I just downloaded here to my file manager. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click this upload button and then grab that file. Once I get it, I'm going to go inside of that directory. I'm then going to go to this directory. I'm going to right click it. I'm then going to click extract. It's going to ask you for a directory where you want to extract the files to. Once you do that, you're then going to click extract files. It's going to extract to a specific location. You'll then see the results. You can close out of that. You don't have to scroll through that. You can go back to your public HTML. You can go to the place where you're going to have those files. They're then available to you. So what you can do is you can go to the exact URL. Now just so you'll know, I have tried this when the capitalization was not there and it didn't render correctly. So you are going to want to make sure that your capitalization is correct. I'm going to go ahead and click enter. That's going to bring me to this page. And basically now what I have is I have this area where I'm going to be asked to give information from a database. And so you're going to have to go and get all of this information. Now all this is inside of the tutorial. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to my cPanel and I'm going to go to my PHP Wizard. So when I go inside of my SQL database wizard, I'm going to give my database a name. I'm going to call this CF3. I'm going to click next. And then I'm going to create a user for CF3. I'm going to call this CF3. I'm going to give this a password. I'm then going to create the user. Once I do that, I'm going to give that user all privileges. I'm going to click next step. Okay, so now here's my user and here's my database, and that's the information now that I'm going to have to put inside of Cloudfunnels. I've made it easy by making sure that I have the very same names. I'm just going to grab these and I'm going to head now back to Cloudfunnels. So I'm going to put that database username here. I'm going to put in the password that I gave it. I'm going to cut and paste in my database name. Okay, so Cloudfunnels says that the port that you want to place here is 3306. Now you're going to want to verify with your host if this is going to be required. And so again, now, every host is going to be different. In most cases, your host is going to need it just the way that Cyril put it. It may not be, so then make sure with your host if you're having problems. Now the table prefix is something I did not change. And so this was auto entered here into this dialog box. And so it's typically going to be the same way with yours. So once you do that, you can then click submit. And then once you do that, you're then going to create an admin user. Now this is going to be the admin user. You're going to log in with the name that you want to have for this instance of Cloudfunnels on your domain. Once you have all the information in there, you can then click submit. Then you're going to have to use your email and password to log in. You're going to click remember me and then log in. That'll bring you inside of your dashboard for Cloudfunnels. And then what you're going to need is you're going to need the membership email. That's the email that you signed up with in order to get your Cloudfunnels account. And then you're going to have to go and get the license code from the member area in Cloudfunnels. You come back to your home page. You're going to click Generate License for your site. So what you're now going to need to do is you're going to get the site URL or the path for the new installation before you generate a new license. Once you enter that site URL, you're going to click Generate New License. Now, I'm not going to show this process because obviously that's going to need to be grayed out. So I'm going to generate the license. I'm going to grab it and I'm going to go back to the site where I am so that I can place it there. Now, I'm not going to show that process on camera. And once you hit the Verify button, you're then ready to start using Cloudfunnels. So it isn't a difficult process in order to get set up. And I think that with the Pro version, you can set this up on multiple domains or multiple places inside of your domain. Okay, so I hope that that was helpful to you so you can see the process of getting Cloudfunnels installed. Once you install it, it does belong on your domain. You're not going to have to pay any monthly fees for it. Now, as a reminder, when you pick up Cloudfunnels through our link, we do have bonuses available. We have a video of how you can import your PLR sales pages inside of Cloudfunnels. So you'll get that on the download page. We've also got a full set of promotional graphics for you to create a new product with 2 of the video PLR you're going to be getting in our bonus. So you'll get all of the promotional graphics for a particular course, including all of the marketing pages. You'll also get a PLR video course with full PLR rights. And when you pick up the back end, you are also going to get a second PLR video course with full PLR rights. You'll notice that both of these PLR video courses are on the same subject and that subject matches the full set of graphics and sales pages that we're going to be giving you. Now there is a URL you'll see on your screen and you can use that URL in order to get to the page where you can get our bonuses as well as Cloudfunnels. Thanks and have a